Welcome back, everyone. Mike McConville here, Stratford, Ontario, Canada, for StringTechWorkstations. We have a Gibson Northern Artist. So this is another Montana guitar, limited edition. And I've pretty well done what I did on that HP 415 walnut guitar that you saw last video. So we've got that cantilevered compensated bone saddle. And this is the compensated nut for this one. Now it is tuned to concert pitch, but these are 11 to 52 as opposed to 12 to 53. And if you go back and look in that other video, you'll see that this nut is not quite the same as that other one. And we did do that fret dress at the neck junction like we did with the other guitar. Plays perfectly in tune, sounds great. The action is super slick. And the 11 to 52 strings are beautiful for this guitar now. So Andrew is essentially an electric guitar player. This is his first really nice acoustic guitar. And of course he'd like it to play like his electrics. And you know something? I think we've managed to accomplish that. I brought it in, I did play it a bit, and I am going to bring it into the studio and you'll get to hear it for yourself. But I did notice when I was playing that it's gone through a very dry winter, and I can feel those frets along the edge. So this does need an edge dress. So we're going to do that, buff it out, and we'll bring it in and let you hear it. So here we go. I've always been a sucker for that split parallelogram pearl inlay on Gibsons. One of my all-time favorite inlays. Just the simplicity. It's just so striking. Split parallelogram inlay. This is the Northern Artist. And that is our compensated nut for the 11 to 52 strings at concert pitch. And there's the final take on the bone cantilevered bridge saddle. I did swap out the plastic pins for some ebony pins with pearl dots in them. Of course, this is plugged in. Let's just play it acoustically here first. Hang on a second. So I've recorded a progression. This is with my GarageBand thing. It's kind of new to GarageBand, but again, this is the 1-7-3-6-2-5-1 progression. So D major 7, add 9 to C sharp minor 7, no fifth in this one, to F sharp minor 9, to B minor 9, to A minor 11, to back to the 1 chord, D major 7 to A7 sharp 5. So I'll let that play and blow over top. Actually, I got to bring my volume up. That was acoustic, by the way, completely acoustic. Oh yeah, the other thing I wanted to mention, although I kind of use terce and harmony, or chords built on thirds, as my litmus test, for intonation across the entire span of the neck, the chordal chords work just as well. just wanted to point that out. back to acoustic here for a second. it to play like an electric, and wow. It does.